Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Today I'm here with a new blank mini album to share with you and also the release of my digital magazine. So let's take a look.
Dance for me. Easy tiger, easy, let your hair down.
So hi guys, so welcome back to the channel. So as you may know, I run a quarterly digital magazine that is basically a scrapbook tutorial magazine. You can find in there mini albums and different projects and inspiration. And so yeah, so today I'm here to share with you the release of the summer edition, and I'm just super excited. So one of the projects that you will find in the magazine is this 8x10 blank mini album, and I am also using my easy hinge technique. So on the magazine you will find the step-by-step pictures, tutorials with the measurements, and it's just going to be a quick and easy reference guide for you to create this book and all the other projects that I included in there as well. And I always aim these projects to be very relaxing and easy to make, and I hope that you guys like the magazine this month because I just put so much love into it, and yes, always excited to share that with you. But for today's video I'm gonna be sharing this blank book. We're just gonna do a quick overview. So like I mentioned, this is an 8x10 book, and it has 3 inches on the spine and 5 signature pages. So I decided to include another page compared to my previous 8x10 book. I wanted this book to be more oriented towards a wedding or a vacation, so I wanted to make sure there's enough room to put a lot of beautiful large pictures in here. When we open this book over here on the inside cover, just a large place for a picture, so you can put an 8x10 beautiful printout, or you can also do a collage of different picture sizes if you're making these more of like a vacation type of book. Then over here, of course, on the front, I always like to put a beautiful gatefold, especially if it's gonna be a more elegant book like a wedding. So these little gatefold openings are always beautiful. Here on the next page we have a large pocket here on the back, and then a large area for a picture. Then over here we have this opening page, so this opens down and up, and again areas for large pictures or collaging, all kinds of sizes here. Then again, this one just opens to the side, so very easy layouts, very easy for any skill level crafter. If this is your first time making a book and you kind of want to see more detail in pictures and measurements, I think this is a really good option for you to have. And of course you can always dress up your book more and add different elements. This will just be the base. So over here this opens up, and then we have a large belly band here on the back as well. And then here on this next page we have this kind of like an envelope looking page, so you can round the corners. I just wanted to leave it plain and very basic to be able to dress this up. But then this opens up like this and like that, so it opens as a full layout here. And then over on this page, again, large area for pictures, and then this just opens up like that. And as you can see, all the pages open flat regardless of where you are in the book, and we are using the easy hinge system that I think I shared that with you before as well. So over here this opens up like that, but this over here is a pocket, so you can add maps, pictures, invitations, and then you can go ahead and close this up. You can add a ribbon closure or like a little tie over here, or you can just add some magnets there as well. And then over on this side we have these 4 openings over here, so it opens up and this opens down, and then it reveals a picture here on the center. And then for the last page, just another very simple layout. This opens up and down. So I like these type of layouts because it allows you to put so many photo mats in here. Besides the picture that you'll put, you can add photo mats and then just kind of tag everything with these closure here. And then for the back, just plain large area for a picture. So a super easy album for you to make. Again, if you would like to see the step-by-step picture tutorial, it will be included on the magazine. This is going to be volume 7. I believe it's the second edition. And if you are subscribed to the magazine, make sure to check your email, because these should have been emailed by the time that I release this video. So make sure that you check your inbox, and you will have a download to the file for you to access the magazine. And so yeah, so that is what I have for you guys today. Again, super excited. I hope that you check my magazine and get inspired by all the projects that I created. I will also come back with a few videos sharing some of the other projects that I created for the magazine. And I want to thank you so much for your love, for your support, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.